Welcome back to another episode of Eagle's Kitchen. I'm your host, Dante Williams, and this is our second video on gumbo. We're going to be doing something different. We're going to be making our roux in the oven. See, this process is simpler, easier, less work, and less greasy than our first video, because while you throw it in the oven, you can be just sitting on the couch watching TV instead of being over here on the stove watching it, stirring it for about an hour. Let me show you how it's done. In a really easy roux, really you only need 1 cup, but I'm gonna be using 4 cups because my dad wants to store it for later. So you got 1 cup, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, we only need 1 cup for this gumbo, but we're gonna store the rest for later. We're gonna even it out so it cooks even. We're gonna put it in the oven at 415 for 50 minutes to see how brown we can get it. Okay. Move that to the side. Start your timer for 50 minutes. Alright, we'll come back to check on it in 50 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what our flour looks like. Depending on your oven, it may take longer. Just leave for about another 15 minutes. Don't be discouraged if you see some smoke, just continuously check on it. I'm going to set it aside and let it cool down. Now it's time to make our gumbo. These are the ingredients we will be using for our gumbo. Everything you see here will be listed down in the description below. We will be using our Magnolite roaster for our gumbo. We'll begin with cooking our sausages. Stir it around until they're brown on each side. Now, let us add our trinity. This includes our onions, bell peppers, and celery. We're going to stir and mix with our sausages and let it sweat. Once the vegetables become translucent, we add our chicken. We debone our chicken thighs and make it as boneless, as well as cut them into smaller pieces so that it will cook faster. We're going to season our meat with salt and black pepper. Now that the chicken is almost cooked, we're going to add in our chicken broth or water. Add until your meat is covered with the liquid. Our seasonings, we add 5 bay leaves, 5 chicken bouillon, and what you don't see is we add more black pepper. Now it's time to make our roux. We're going to add 1 cup of our toasted flour and this much of our chicken broth, and then we're going to whisk it together until it has a nice consistency. Now that we have our roux a nice consistency, we're going to add it to our dish. Make sure you add everything that was in the bowl. I added more water to the bowl and drained everything out until the bowl was clean. Stir until your roux is mixed together. Now it is time to cover it and let it hard boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Once we can cover our pot, you will notice foam or grease develop on top of the liquid. Although we minimize the oil use onto our gumbo, grease will continue to develop from the meats, like the sausage and chicken. However, this is good grease because it provides flavor to the gumbo. Please skim out the oils on top of the pot to prevent greasy lips or maybe an upset stomach. Our chicken and sausage gumbo is ready, and these next few steps are optional. We're gonna add in some shrimp. After about 5 minutes, we're gonna add in our hard-boiled eggs. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. It's almost about time to serve our meal. Just get a quick little taste test to see if we need any seasoning. That tastes pretty good. It's your preference on how you want to season your food, but I think it's time to serve dinner. This is our chicken, shrimp, sausage gumbo with a side of boiled egg. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let us know what you think of the video in the comments below. Until next time.